Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford Fiesta. Now the exterior color is an Inogt Silver, and under the hood we have a 1.6 liter inline 4 paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, and over at the side we have our 15-inch wheels wrapped in our Cooper tires. We also have our color match mirror caps and color match door handles. At the rear, we have our Fiesta badging, as well as we have a power trunk. We also have an embedded defroster in our rear window, as well as a third braking light at the top of our rear window. At the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as manual windows with power adjustable mirrors. And over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our signal light with our hands-free and volume controls on the left. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rear view mirror, as well as we have our cabin lights. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful black and gray cloth seating. And as we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 59,295 kilometers. And over here we have our LCD display screen, which has our time and date, as well as our compass direction. And as we look at our receiver, we have radio control, media control, phone connectivity, sound options, as well as menu. We also have our power lock switch right in the middle, as well as our emergency lights, as well as we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin. And down below we have a cubby hold storage space, and at our console we have our console shift with our manual transmission, and in our centerpiece we also have a 12-volt adapter, as well as an aux in port and a USB port. We also have our electrical brake, as well as we have our dual cup holders with one more cup holder in the middle. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy manual windows, as well as we have storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, passengers can enjoy tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. And that is a total of 5 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Fiesta, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.